News from the northeast now. The Assam government has asked for a CBI inquiry after 4 rhinos were poached from Assam's Kaziranga National Park in just the last week. In 2012 alone, the number of rhinos poached across Assam have numbered 40. Not good record for a state that has the only population of the one-horned rhinos in the country. In the last week alone, 4 of these animals have lost their lives to poachers in Assam's Kaziranga National Park, their horns severed and taken away. It's an alarming trend at one of Assam's and India's biggest national parks. Most of the animals poached are near the adjoining Karbi Anglong district in the state considered a safe haven for poachers. All of this in spite of increased patrolling at the park and the presence of commandos with sophisticated weapons to help the frontline staff of the park protect the rhinos, and a promise by the central government that unmanned choppers would be used in surveillance of the park. An inquiry by the CBI has been ordered into the poaching incident, and 1 person has been detained for questioning so far.
Taken at government level for the poaching cases where the involvement and the nexus and the trade involved and all these things, I think we'll be able to find out on that.
What is even more worrying is the trend of poaching of the rhinos across Assam in 2012. According to the latest census by the government, there are around 2,300 rhinos in 2 of Assam's national parks, including Kaziranga. Alarmingly, last year, 1 rhino was poached across the state every 5 days. Back at Kaziranga, patrolling has been intensified across the park and efforts are on to track known poachers in the region. At the moment, though, the efforts of the park administration have not been enough to stop these animals from being mercilessly killed across Kaziranga and across Assam. With Sanjay Chakrabarti in Kaziranga, Gargi Rawat for NDTV.